A parrot named Pete loved to chatter all day. He'd talk and squawk in every way. Hello, he'd shout, want a snack? Then mimic the zookeeper right back. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you hear. Copycat sounds one by one. Talking at the zoo is fun. He learned to count and sing the tune, and even said goodnight to the moon. He made the visitors smile so wide that laughter echoed far and wide. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you hear. Copycat sounds one by one. Talking at the zoo is fun. But when it was bedtime, hush, be still, Pete whispered softly, "Good night, Bill." He closed his eyes and dreamt away to talk again another day. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you hear. Copycat sounds one by one. Talking at the zoo is fun. A parrot named Pete loved to chatter all day. He'd talk and squawk in every way. Hello, he'd shout, want a snack? Then mimic the zookeeper right back. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you hear. Copycat sounds one by one. Talking at the zoo is fun. He learned to count and sing the tune, and even said goodnight to the moon. He made the visitors smile so wide that laughter echoed far and wide. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you hear. Copycat sounds one by one. Talking at the zoo is fun. But when it was bedtime, hush, be still, Pete whispered softly, "Good night, Bill." He closed his eyes and dreamt away to talk again another day. Squawk, talk, laugh and cheer. Parrot Pete loves words you